Hi, George Vlad from Mindful Audio here. I just got back from an expedition to Kenya where I was recording wildlife and nature sounds. On this expedition, I got to test the new Rycote HC22 microphone. Many thanks to Rycote for sponsoring my expedition and for offering me early access to their kit. So, what is this microphone like? It's a bit early to say, as I haven't tested it in seriously extreme conditions, but so far I've been pleasantly surprised. I will take it on my upcoming rainforest expedition to see how it deals with high humidity and heat, which is usually where a lot of field recording equipment starts failing. You can expect an in-depth review early next year. I will shortly play a few recordings I captured in Kenya, and I will include a download link in the description so you can check them for yourself. What do you think? Are you planning on getting one? Let me know down in the comments.